Hello, my name's Timothy Morton, and I'm the developer of Bible Analyzer Bible software. And in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the basic features of Bible Analyzer so new users can become familiar with how it operates. First, you'll notice there are four basic windows: the Bible window, commentary window, dictionary window, and the results window, which contains the Scripture Pad word processor, and also the Books tab, which has all the loaded books and articles. These windows can be minimized or maximized with the convenient 4-button panel up at the top, and they also can be undocked from the main frame of the Bible Analyzer application. Just grab a hold of the title, drag it up, and as you see, it broke loose and became a floating window. This window can be put in any position, or anywhere there's a docking indicator, such as these will show you where it would go if it was released. Down here, if we put it in the middle window, you'll see that it will stack on top of the commentary window. And that way, you can have them both convenient and give you more screen real estate. If you want to bring it back to the default, just go up to the L button and click the default layout, and it'll basically go back the way it was. To navigate through Bible text in Bible Analyzer, there are various ways. One is you can use the Bible tree. You can open the plus sign there and get a display of the chapters and click a chapter, and they see it will display that chapter. A quicker way is to right click on a book and select a chapter, and as you can see there, we right clicked and we went to John 14. Another way, we can type in a verse in the quick entry. We'll type in here Galatians, say 3:13, hit enter, and you'll see that it jumped to Galatians 3:13. You can also use this quick entry as a search box. Let's type in a word, and Bible Analyzer will determine that it's not a reference, and it will do a search. And there we typed the word soul. Let's close these windows so that gets a little bigger. We can see it better. And here are our search results for soul, and there are 100 hits at a time. And to see if there are more hits, you just select the drop-down window and see the next set of hits. Also, a way to search is through a right-click context menu. Let's go back to the Bible panel. You'll see here's the word truth. We'll right-click on that. It says search for truth in Bible. We click that, and under a new tab, all the search results for truth popped up, and they can easily be accessed. We'll also see that if you can use the right-click feature on non-English text, which makes them easier to use, such if they have accented characters. Here's the Portuguese text. We can right-click on a word there and select that word, and you'll see its search results will pop up with all of its accents intact. A feature of the word processor, Scripture Pad, is you can export text to it. It has all the basic word processor functions. We'll clear that out. But say, for instance, we want to put some verses here. So instead of copying and pasting, we can do a right-click on a verse, export that verse to SPAD, and you'll see there it is. This formatting can be changed in the user preferences. If you want to do more than one verse, you can just select a range of verses. And here there's 4 verses, and they all line up there and are exported. And then you can type text down here as any other word processor and save the text and retrieve it later if you want to. Another editor in Bible Analyzer, let's close this window and we'll open up the commentary window. Another editor is the Notes editor. And if you click it and use it, you'll find that it is linked to whatever verse is the current reference. Let's go down here at the bottom, and you'll see the current reference is Galatians 3:13, and it's highlighted in the Bible panel. If we type in a note here, we'll just type in note for 3:13, and that note will stay linked with that verse. Let's go to another verse. Let's go to 15, and we'll type here a note for verse 15. And now let's go back to verse 13, and you'll see there's our old note. Let's go back to 15, and there's our note for there. And let's go to 14, and we never entered one there, so it's cleared for it. This can be done for any reference, any verse reference, any book reference. Say, for instance, we want to just have notes for the book of Romans. We can click that because, see, Romans, the book itself, is the current ref. And you can type them in, and it will save them automatically. You don't have to worry about that. But this is just some of the features of Bible Analyzer. There are many, many more, which we'll try to look at in further videos. Say, for instance, you can just click on a word, just click on gospel, and it will be looked up in the dictionary. You just click on a verse, and that verse will become the current verse if it's selected down here, and all of the comments will be for whatever verse is the current reference selected. So there are many more features. We have the master control panel, which has the advanced searching features, proximity search, and many other advanced searches. We have the Harmony Display Parallel Generator, which will do many more things. We'll try to look at those in future videos. But we just want to give you a basic overview of Bible Analyzer and how you can navigate through the program. And we hope you find it of value. Thank you.